in logo. In general term, the word procedure refers to the method of doing a particular task. For example, the steps you follow to switch on a computer is an example of a procedure. In logo, a procedure is a set of logo commands given one after the other to perform a particular task. Each procedure should always be given a particular name. A procedure has three parts: title line, body, and end line. Title line, it allows you to give a name to the procedure. It always starts with the word to. Body, it contains all the primitives for drawing the desired figure. End line, it contains the word end, which conveys to the computer that primitives in the procedure are over. While writing procedures, we must keep certain points in our mind. A procedure can have letters, numbers, and symbols. The first character should always be a letter. A procedure cannot have blank spaces and arithmetic operators. We should not use any logo command as a procedure name. Let us know more. We can use small or capital letters or a mixture of these for a procedure name. You can save the file by giving other name with save as command. The file saved in logo will have an extension .lgo. MSW logo saves files in simple text format. You could then use any word processor to open a MSW logo file. Okay, now we shall learn how to define a procedure using the input box. Click in the input box. Type in to followed by the name of the procedure. For example, to triangle and press the enter key. The to mode input box will appear. Enter the primitives one after another by pressing the enter key. When all the primitives are entered, type in end and press the enter key. The procedure will be defined. To execute the procedure, type the procedure name triangle in the input box and press the enter key. Let's now learn writing text on the screen. Click in the input box and type in edit triangle. The editor window appears. Write and edit the primitives between to procedure name and end command. Click at the end of to triangle and press the enter key to insert a blank line. Enter the lines or quotes to draw a triangle. Home, CS, FD 100, RT 120, FD 100, RT 120, FD 100, RT 120, End. Close the editor window by selecting File, then Exit. Click on Yes when asked. Contents have changed. Save to workspace. It will save the contents to workspace. Now run the procedure by typing triangle in the input box and then press enter key. Let me share the fact. We can write a procedure in two ways, using the input box or by using the editor window. Okay, now we shall learn how to save your work in MSW logo. Whenever you define a procedure, it is saved in the primary memory, which is volatile in nature. Thus, you need to save the procedure in secondary memory to reuse it. You can save a procedure in two ways. First way is by giving save command in command input box. Click on the input box to make it active and type save procedure name and enter. Note that the name should be preceded by double quotes. by giving Save command from the File menu. Click on File menu. Select Save option. Define name in File Name text box. Click on Save button. Alright, let us discuss the differences between primitive and a program. Okay, now we shall find out how to load a procedure. Once the procedure is saved, it can be loaded or recalled anytime from hard disk to memory, and for this load command is used. Type load procedure name in the input box of the commander window and press enter. Or click File, then go to Load and select the disk or directory from where your file is to be loaded. Click the Open button. Let us now quickly discuss the load command versus the save command. Alright, now we shall learn how to erase a procedure. We can erase a procedure using the following syntax. Erase procedure name, enter. If you type the procedure name without using double quotes and press the enter key, the computer will display an error message. Triangle didn't output to erase. Now type the correct command, erase triangle, and press enter. Logo will delete triangle procedure. After that, if we try to run the procedure, the computer displays an error message, I don't know how to triangle. This gives clear indication that the procedure named triangle has been deleted. Now, let me learn more. The erase all command erases all the procedures. Command. This primitive is used to run the instruction list repeatedly while using the repeat command. We write primitives in one line instead of writing in a number of lines for drawing a figure in Logo. Type repeat the number of times to repeat the instructions list and then Logo primitives which are to be repeated. For example, repeat, bracket in number, bracket in command. Let us compare the program written without repeat and with repeat. First, we shall draw a triangle without repeat command. FD100 enter, RT120 enter, FD100 enter, RT120 enter, FD100 enter, RT120 enter. In this program, we have seen that FD and RT commands are repeated 3 times. Now, let us see how to draw a triangle with repeat command. Repeat 3, bracket in, FD100, RT120, bracket close, enter. We find that the same program is written in a single line using repeat command. Here, the number 3 after repeat primitive tells the computer to repeat the written commands thrice a time. Let us now draw a square using repeat. A square has 4 sides, so the turtle turns 90 degrees. The command is repeat 4, bracket in, FD100, RT90, bracket close. Now, let us draw a hexagon with repeat. A hexagon has 6 sides, so the turtle turns 60 degrees. The command is repeat 6, bracket in, FD100, RT60, bracket close. Let us see how to draw a pentagon with repeat. A pentagon has 5 sides and so the turtle turns 72 degrees. So the command is repeat 5, bracket in FD 100, RT 72, bracket close. Now to draw a star which has 5 sides with repeat, the command is repeat 5, bracket in FD 120, RT 144, bracket close. Okay, students, now we shall learn how to draw circles with repeat. A circle can be drawn using repeat command. A full circle is drawn using 360 degree and a semicircle is drawn using 180 degree. The command is 360 bracket in FD1 RT1 bracket close. For example, to reduce the size of a circle, increase the number of steps in FD command and number of degrees in RT command. Depending on the number of repetitions, the size will decrease with the command repeat 36 bracket in FD 5. Take a look at this table here. The table given below helps us to know the exact number of turns required to draw a full circle. For command RT5, the number of repeat is 72. When command is RT10, the number of repeat is 36. With command RT15, the number of repeat is 24. With command RT20, the number of repeat is 18. When the command is RT40, the number of repeat is 9. When the command is RT60, the number of repeat is 6. And with command RT30, the number of repeat is 12. For example, to draw a semicircle, type the following command. CS center, repeat 180, bracket in FD1, RT1, bracket close, enter. Now students, we shall learn how to use procedures. To execute the procedure, type circles in the input box and press the enter key. For example, try the following procedure. To circle, repeat 36, bracket in FD5, RT10, bracket close, N. Now let's know more. You can look at the names of all the procedures with the help of what's primitive. Now let us look at another example. To grow circle, repeat 36, bracket in FD2, RT10, bracket close. Repeat 36, bracket in FD4, RT10, bracket close. Repeat 36, bracket in FD6, RT10, bracket close. Repeat 36, bracket in FD8, RT10, bracket close. End. To run this procedure, type grow circle in input box and press the enter key. Now, let us learn how to fill color in a circle. In logo, you can fill color in the pictures. While filling the color, the turtle should be placed inside the picture to be filled. Create a procedure to define a circle and save it with the name circle. Type circle, press the enter key. Now click on set option in menu bar and select flood color option. The flood color dialog box will appear. Select any color of your choice and click on OK. Now type circle in the input box and press the enter key. The circle will be drawn on the screen. Now type these primitives to bring the turtle inside the circle and fill color. For example, RT90, PU, FD10, fill. The moment you press the enter key, the color will get filled in the circle. Now time for a fact file. Using the set menu, you can change the pen size, color and font. Click on Set, then label Font. The Font dialog box gives you the choice of font sizes and styles from which to choose. To change the pen color, select Set, then Pen Color option.